Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. It's been another great weekend in the shop. I've got a lot done. I did work more on the serving board, charcuterie board. Got it all finished, several coats of finish on it, and it's good to go. Looking forward to that. I haven't really been able to do much more with the box. I actually started a new project with my wife. It's going to be a memorial bench. It's in honor of her father who recently passed. And so it's a real labor of love. Looking forward to completing that in honor of him. Also started working on a cutting board, larger cutting board. It's almost 2 feet long. Not exactly sure the dimensions fully yet. I still have to finish it up. It got out of the gluing, took that out of the clamps, and it's good to go. Just got to plane it down. Gonna have to fill in some areas with epoxy, get all that done. But I'm looking forward to using that. I don't know if we're gonna sell it or if my wife's gonna want to keep it. We'll kind of see what happens. A lot of things, sometimes she says, oh, I want that, or she'll say, just sell it. We'll see what happens. We'll play it by ear, but I'm looking forward to getting back to it. I thank you for sticking along with me. I appreciate you watching my videos week in and week out. I will have a video on the charcuterie board. I will have a complete video on the box. I also have a video on the cutting board. And of course, I will have a video coming up on the memorial bench. So stay tuned for those. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a great week.